everyone, I hope you've got your egg boxes ready for today's maths. If you haven't got an egg box, don't worry about it, because what you can do is just split a piece of paper into 6, or you could use 6 little pots or 6 cups. You just need 6 of something. So I've got my egg box here all ready to go with its 6 holes. And what we want to find out today is how many different ways can you make 6? And we're going to start by just having 2 parts. But some of you might be thinking, oh, that's really easy, I can do that. The tricky bit today is that we want to think about how can we do that to make sure that we find all the ways. So, for example, I'm going to start. My first way is going to be 1 and something. And I've got in my egg box, I've got pom-poms that I've dug out of the crafty drawers at my house. But you can use whatever you like, as long as you've got 2 different things and you've got 6 of each, we're good to go. Okay, so I've got 1 pink pom-pom in my egg box, and I'm going to do the other sections in a different colour pom-pom. Okay, so 1 pink one and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purple ones. Okay, so we know that 1 pink pom-pom and 5 purple pom-poms makes 6 altogether. Now, what we need to decide is how we're going to record that. And again, that is up to you. If you want to draw, that's fine. If you want to write the numbers, that's fine. So I've had a go at a bit of both. So I have drawn, and then I put the numbers underneath, and I've written as well the whole number sentence. Okay, so you can choose how you do it. Now, to make sure that we're getting them all, should I do 4 pink pom-poms next, do we think? I started with 1 pink pom-pom. How many do you think I should do next? I think I'm going to do 2 next. So I've got my 2 pink pom-poms. 1, 2. Here we go. And then I'm going to fill up the other gaps in my egg box with the purple one. So we've got 2 pink pom-poms and 1, 2, 3, 4 purple pom-poms, like that. Okay, so I know that 2 pink pom-poms and 4 purple pom-poms make how many? Fantastic. And again, I'm going to record that by drawing, by writing the numbers, however you want. You could even take photos if you like taking photos. That's good. Now, what do you think I should do next? So I've done 1 pink pom-pom to start with, and I've done 2 pink pom-poms to start with. How many pink pom-poms do you think I should start with next? Perhaps you could pause the video and have a little chat with your grown-up now about how many you think I should use next, and maybe tell them why you think that would be a good idea. What do we think? Oh, we've got some good ideas. So next, I think, so I can make sure that I don't miss any ways to make 6, I'm going to start with 3 pink pom-poms. So I'm going to put them in my egg box. 1, 2, 3. You see them in there? And then I'm going to put my purple ones. Now, I'm not going to do it all with you because I want you to find all the different ways. And don't forget that 1 pink pom-pom and 5 purple pom-poms is not the same as 1 purple pom-pom and 5 pink pom-poms. Interesting. Okay, so here is what I would like you to do today. Using your egg box or your piece of paper that's split into 6, or your 6 pots or your 6 cups, but just make sure that you've got 6 of 2 different things that you can put in so you can find all the ways. So we've got how many ways can you find to make 6 using 2 parts? Okay, so only splitting the number into 2. And then we've got how do you know you've got them all? So that's where you need to think about what number you start with each time, how you record it. Okay, have a chat with your grown-up. You might not be too sure, but that's fine. If you only do this bit, that's great. But if you start thinking about the next bit as well, that's super duper. And what do you notice when you found all the ways and you've recorded them? I wonder if you notice any patterns with the numbers. I'll wait to see on that. I hope you're going to show your teachers on Tapestry because I think they'll be really interested to see what you find out. And I wonder what would happen if you split 6 into 3 parts instead. So you didn't just have pink pom-poms and purple pom-poms or whatever you're using, but you might also have, oh, I've got them here, yellow pom-poms as well. And how many different ways can you find to make 6 like that? For example, let me show you. So I've got my egg box here. And I've got my 3 different coloured pom-poms. And this time, I'm still going to start with a pink one, I think. I'm going to start with 1 pink one, 1 purple one, and the rest of them are going to be yellow. So I've got 1 pink, 1 purple, and let's see how many yellows you need to fill it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 yellow ones. So I know that 1 pink and 1 purple and 4 yellows make 6, or 1 and 1 and 4 make 6. And then I'm going to draw that and record that. That is a bit more of a tricky thing to find out all the different ways, but you might find it interesting and fun. So have a go. Okay, and we look forward to seeing what you find out about all the different ways to make 6. And I will see you tomorrow for a Silly 6 story.